Hi, my name is Heidi Jackson. I am new to JLV Construction, but I am not new to construction or the real estate business. I started in real estate 17 years ago, almost 18 years ago now, and I had an opportunity early in my career to work for a custom home builder, which I absolutely loved. I love discovering people's dreams and their plans. And when I found JLV Construction, it seemed like the perfect fit, like the job I've been dreaming for my entire life. The team here is absolutely amazing. The work we do is top-notch, it's second to none. But the culture here, the way I've been made to feel like family from day one, is unlike anywhere else I've ever worked in my life. So I feel very blessed. I'm extremely grateful to be here. And if you're in the market for a renovation, a remodel, whatever it is, give us a call. I'd love to meet you and work with you and show you how we can make your dreams a reality.